Hi guys, welcome to my channel, miss.zafro, with another video. If you watch my video beforehand, that's how I do my eyeshadow look, and this video is basically how I do this cute, messy bun sort of look. This took me literally about 2 minutes to actually get the bun. Edges obviously take a little bit longer to get that swoop, but it didn't take long at all. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this bun, just stay tuned, and yeah.
And it feels like you don't know my name. My name. My name. You don't know my name. 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 You don't know my you don't know my name, no.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. When I wake up in the morning and the longest out of warning, I don't think I ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books, I give myself another look. I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. Oh, it's alright. It's alright. 'Cause I'm saved by the bed. Yeah, saved by the bed. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. If the teacher pops the test, then I know I'm in a mess. And my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's alright. It's alright. Yes, it's alright. All the Saved by the Bell. Zach and Lisa, Kathleen, Screech, Jesse, Richard, my boy AC. Oh, it's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the Bell. Saved by the Bell.